Yeah, hello everyone. Trust you are doing good today. In today's video, I'm going to be working on the conversion of orthographic projection to isometric projection. We have a diagram here of a block in an exploded form, that is in first angle orthographic projection. So we are going to be coupling this together, that is, we are going to be converting it to isometric, drawing it in isometric projection. So the question says the sketch in figure 1 shows a block in first angle orthographic projection. Okay, this arrangement is first angle orthographic projection. Now the question says we should draw full size in isometric projection, making x the lowest point. This is point position x and position x here. We are making that the lowest point, and we are to draw full size, that is to draw to the required or the given dimension here. So how do we do this? So I'm going to be coupling it together. Okay, now to make that easy for us, I'm going to be drawing a box first. From the box, then I will cut it out, begin to cut out each of the side that is given to us here in first angle orthographic projection. So now this is position x, so I'm making this x now, this position x the lowest point, that is s is going to be this for this figure, and it's also going to be this for the side. So what this means now is that this front view, this is our front, by the layout of first angle orthographic projection, this is our front view, while this is the plan and this is the side. Okay, so I'm going to be tilting this block like this to the right, like this. So this line here is 130, so I'm going to input that now, 130. So I'll come this way very quickly, 130. This is 130. Then from that side, I'm going to produce a vertical line. Draw the line up, a vertical line up. Oh, my pencil is bad, so let me quickly work on this. Okay, sorry for that. So we have this now as 130, then this side as 75. Okay, from this, so you can see the whole of this length is also the same as this, so 75. So I will be drawing a box first, like I said. So let me quickly input that 75 now. So this is my 75. So I'm going to take 75 here too, so that I can connect the points together. Don't forget that in isometric, all lines must recede at 30 degrees. That is, both lines must be parallel. Okay, for the lines to be parallel, I'm going to have this now. Okay, we have that now. Okay, all right, so this side as well. Okay, yes, for this side. Okay, this is the side now. Okay, which if we draw a line like this and this, so it's going to be 75, this 75. So I will take 75 here as well. 75. This is 75. Okay, then I will produce a vertical line. Okay, that is visible. Then I'll produce this line up that way. Okay, all right, so I'm going to have this 75 here as well. This 75. So I'm going to connect that. Then we're going to have a line that will recede this way. Okay, which should be parallel to this line here. So I will just come this way, transfer this side. I will transfer this side now to this. Okay, that way. Then I'm going to transfer this also to this part here. That way. Okay. Hope you can see that. I think we have our box now. Okay, now let's begin. All right, now looking at this now. Okay, this is our front, like we said. Okay, this side now, let's cut out this. You can have this 15, this 15 here, this 15 here. So let's bring out this 15. That's 1.5. This 15 here, 15 here as well. So let me connect the 2 points together. Lines must be parallel. Okay, never you forget that. Okay, now all right, so let me have 15 here as well. Now connect these two points. All right, okay, we have this now. Now let me draw this side now. From this side I want to draw this point. Now we have this angle here at 60. So from here now I'm going to draw at 60. Okay, so 60. So I'll bring in my protractor. I'm going to measure. Let your protractor be aligned. Let the zero part be aligned with this line here. Okay, this receding line for the isometric axis. Okay, so because the 60 is coming this way, so it's from this base now. So I'm going to read the 60° this way. Okay, now, okay, it's not aligned yet. Okay, I have to make sure it is aligned. Okay, now this is my 60. This is my 60. So from there now, just connect that 60. Connect that. Okay, so you can see that is this is the 60. Okay, now so we have, if we check very well again, we are told that from this point now, if we have the 60, so this is a straight line down like this. So where the 50 begins. So what I'm going to do now, you can see where this line intersects with this 15. Okay, where it intersects with it. So I'm going to produce a vertical line down. I produce a vertical line which I will drop down. This way. Okay, so that means this 50 will begin from here. The 50 will begin from here. So I'm going to measure 50 to the right like this. So I'll measure 50, which is going to help us to draw this other angle here. Okay, 50. So we have that here. Okay, that's here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to produce a vertical line as well. I'll produce a vertical line up. Okay, like we have here. Okay, so I will join this part now to this point. Okay, this part to get this x now, x for the side. So you can see the x for the side, for this side as well. They are both on the base here. Okay, sitting down on the base there. So I will connect this point to this. Okay, so let me highlight that part now. So I'm going to have something like this. Okay. Okay, I hope you can see this very clearly now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, from this part now we have this 35. So I'm going to take 35 now. Okay, 35, which is from the bottom, from the base here. I hope you can see that. So I will measure 35. So this is 35. And come here as well, measure 35. This 35. Then I will connect them together, connect the 2 points together. Okay, that is going to represent this part here. So let me align that straight away. Okay. You have this, okay, which is going to represent the whole of this part. I hope we can see that now. Okay, all right. Now, so the next thing we are going to do here now, I am going to draw a parallel line to this line, this particular line. So from this part now, I'll draw a parallel line to this point here. So what I'm going to do now, just come this way like this. Okay. Okay. So just move this until I get to that point. All right. I think we are there now. So I'm going to produce this. All right. So we have this. So from this part now, this part, I'm going to take it out. I will take out this part. Then I will take this part out, then take this part to this part. Okay, so we have this. Okay, all right, now let's take a look at it. Okay, I'm doing that both simultaneously. Okay, as we are drawing one, the others will be falling in line. Okay, now if we are looking at it from the front now, okay, we are having this. Okay, the whole of this inside now is what we have here. Okay, now we have this to this part. Now we take this out as well. Okay, all right, I think we are good. Okay, now we have this. Let's come to the top now. If you are looking at it from the top, we are going to be seeing this 30 26 30 30 26 30. So let me cut that out now. Let me cut that now. Now looking at the front, you will see that there is a slant line here. Okay, meaning that we are going to have something slant like this. That's the meaning. We are going to have something slant. But let's look at the top now. 30. Let me cut that 30 26 30 out. This is 30, 26, and 30. So let me take that here as well, so that I can just connect the points together. 30, 26, and 30. So let me just connect these points, because lines have to be parallel and drawing in isometric. Okay, and finally we have this side. Okay, now we have this top now. So this part now, I need to draw this part now, which is beginning from the 26. Okay, is inside the 26. Okay, so from here now, that means I'm going to produce a vertical here and a vertical line down this way. Down. Down this way. Okay, now look at it. We have this side as 15, so which I'm going to put now 15 as 1.5. Then at this side as well. So I'll connect the 2 points. Connect the points together. This way. Alright, so we have this now. I need to get this small part now, the value here and the value here, but we are told that from this place to this place is 50. So we're going to do a little calculation here, and that is what I have here. Okay, to be fast now, this is 50. So this 50 now, if I remove 26, the length of this side, which is 26. Okay, as you can see, if I remove from 50, I have 24, meaning that the addition of this small place and this place will give us 24. So to get what this side will be, I will divide that 24 by 2, which will give us 12, meaning this place is 1.2, because if we add 1.2 plus 1.2, that will be 24. Okay, 24 plus this 26 will give us the whole of this side as 50. I don't know if you understand that calculation. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take from this side now, take 1.2. I will take 1.2. This is 1.2. Then this side as well. .2. So I'm going to produce a vertical line down. So I'm going to have this down. So produce this down, then come to this other side as well. I'm going to produce the line down. Alright, so I'm going to take, I will take that's 15 here now. So I'll just take 15. I'll take 15. That's 1.5. This is 1.5 here. Here. So connect them. I will connect them. Alright, so we have this. Now let me highlight what I have there out so you will see. So I'm going to have this now. This as 50. If you check this, you see it's 50. Okay, then we have this now. We have this. This side. This side. Then you have this. You have this side. Okay, then we're going to have this side, this. Then I will join this to this part. Now I will not highlight everything. Okay, now the reason being that if you look at it from this front now, it stop here at this point here, at this other 30, this 30 that we have here, before it intercept with this inclined to this point here. So I'm meaning that I'm going to, from this side now, I'm going to connect this and see how we got that inclined line. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so this other part as well, where the 30 terminates, going to be inclined to this. Okay, which will also be parallel to each other. So either you use your parallel line, or you just connect this. Okay, which is there already that way. So you can see the block is forming shape now. I'm going to align this part now. We align this part. Okay, so I will align this other part as well. Then this part. Okay, all right, so this other part. Okay, I will align this. Then this part. This part. Okay, I hope you can see this now. Now, by principle of isometric, a line should drop like this, then another line should go this way. So which I'm going to quickly input now. Okay, so I'm going to draw a vertical now. From this part now, I'll produce a vertical line. Then a parallel line should go from here. We should go from here. Okay, so I hope you can see that. So which I'm going to also, I'm going to highlight this part now to this point here. Okay, then this part this way. Okay, I hope you can see that. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to draw from this part now a receding line. Okay, all right, so I place my square this way. Then I will move to this side, to this particular point here. Yeah, so I'm going to produce a receding line. Okay, which must equal to the length of this, which is 75. So I will take 75 now from that point. So I will take note where the 75 stop. So this is my 75. I ensure that it's from that place. Okay, that's 75. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to draw this. This 75. Okay, from this part now, I'm going to have a vertical line, move it to that point there. Okay, I'm going to have we'll have a vertical line, drop a vertical line. So I will highlight that now to this point here. Okay, then a line will recede this way, which must be parallel to these lines here. Okay, so I'll go this way. Okay, so we have this. Then I can just highlight that part. Okay, so this is the view, we have projection in isometric block of the given figure. So let's just take a look at the whole side one by one and see if we are leaving out any part. So let's start with the front projection or front elevation. So we have this side. If you are looking at it from this point, from this front, this is our x, where we have the x sitting down this way. Okay, this is the x point. Okay, and it is projected at isometric projection, which is 30 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, so we draw the receding lines. So at the isometric axis, that is what I started with. So looking at it from this front, I'm going to be seeing the whole of this area. This part now is this inner part. Okay, this part, okay, which is going to be visible when we look at it from the front. Then we see something like this. The whole of this, okay, is going to appear this way, because when you turn it like this, you are viewing from the front, you are seeing the whole of this area. Now let's go to the top. Now when we go to the top, this part here, the whole of this part is this, and this part here, the 30, is this. Okay, then we have the 26, which is this one. Okay, we are seeing the inside. Then this is this 30. Okay, the broken line now, this broken line, this one now, this broken line shows this, okay, that there is a cut inside that is not visible to the eye. So when we are viewing from the top, we have to indicate that broken line. Then this down one is this at this side. Okay, then this one here is this, to show that there is a hidden something inside, and also this part. That's why we are having this part. Then when we come to the side, this is the side now. So we're going to be seeing something like the whole of this now is this part. Now this broken line shows that there is what, a hidden detail, this part which is hidden, which cannot be seen. We have to indicate this part and this part, this one and this one. So that is what is giving us this broken line, this 15 here. Okay, then we have this side here, which is this angle 60. That is what we have here, the whole of this part here. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you for viewing the video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Thank you.